In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on apps over here. Now you need to scroll again, this time to tap on default apps under general, and select one of those sections you wanna manage. I want to change my browser, so I have to click here on browser app, tap on Chrome to apply it, and click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!